Here we've got Apple iPhone 12, and let me show you how to create voice memos on the following device. So at first you have to reach Utilities, click on Voice Memos, and tap on Continue to activate it. And just pick the option that you would like to apply. I will allow just once. And now you can smoothly record the new voice memo by tapping on this red circle. Just remember about blah blah blah. Tap on Stop. And now here is your memo, so just tap on Play. Just remember about blah blah blah. Here it is. If you tap on three dots icon, you can copy this voice memo, share it with your friends, edit recording, duplicate, add to favorites, or save to files. You can also change the name, just tap on the current name and now enter a new name. So let me enter super important. And that's it. If you'll go back and then reopen it, you'll be able to find this recording right here. Then whenever you would like to remove some voice memo, click on Edit, mark it, tap on Delete, and confirm that you would like to remove it. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.